Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
కొంచెం గట్టి మాట్లాడండి సార్.
Yes, Andraji, you're audible.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So, good afternoon, everyone. As Avnendra ji has already briefed you all, that the agenda for today's virtual orientation as well as a training session that we have organized is basically it's like a what do you say? It's a net practice. I would say before the match begins. Like the real match is on the whatever date it is. The physical regional training is scheduled, so you will be informed. And we what we want is. You have like a basic knowledge of Yukt Dhara provisions, as well as as many times as you can go through the process and the provisions, it will be less scarier, and the complications will not be there in order to understand the provisions and the steps during the regional training. So this is like a preparatory session for you all. So, as you all are aware, and I think the states who has joined today, all the states have been like pioneer states in the preparation of GIS based plan, and most of you have completed 100% GIS based GP plans preparation. And as you are aware that we used to utilize many different mediums and tools and platforms in order to prepare the GIS based plan for the Gram Panchayat using Google Earth, and then Bhuvan thematic maps, and also collecting lat long using some mobile application. So it was obviously it was a robust procedure, but it was having like multiple tools and multiple stakeholders at various platform, and it was not at like a single platform. So there was a missing kind of linkages between all these mediums. And
ఎవరికి?
as you know that Mahatma Gandhi Narega procedure, all the works which are needed to be taken up or which will be created under the Narega soft are essential to be discussed and approved through the Gram Sabha, and that needs to be included in the annual action plan of the Gram Sabha. Correct. So I'm sure everybody is following the procedure, and you are creating the work in Narega soft as well from the annual action plan of your Gram Panchayat only, whichever has been approved through the Gram Sabha. But there was no connection. Like if you want to see when we are on the field, or if you want to see from the monitoring perspective as well, we could not understand which work of Narega soft is basically which work of annual action plan that has been approved. Correct. And also when we created GIS based plans in Google Earth, you created the plan and then you converted into the KML file, and then you uploaded in the Narega soft. And then we were monitoring like yes, GIS based plan, we are taking up the works from the GIS based plan only. We also created a monitoring platform from different ridges, like Ridge Valley approach, upper ridge, middle ridge, lower ridge. But still we could not determine which work is like which work on the GIS based plan is which work which is being created in the Narega soft. So there was a missing link between annual action plan and GIS based plan and Narega soft. So we have tried, like this is an like humble of attempt through the help of NRSC, that we have created a beautiful platform which makes the process overall easier, as well as the linkages are also established between all these three essential parts of the planning. So that's why the Yukta Dara is there. So if you can recollect, I think it has been couple of years since we organized GIS based planning trainings, and you attempted in the Google Earth. If you can recollect, we used to create NRM and non NRM types of folder as well. correct? So it was kind of difficult to determine while creating that which NRM work that you have created, like you have marked in the GIS based plan, which will fall in which category or will link with which permissible work out of 266, right? So you used to create the works. I'm not saying, like, we are not saying that no, it was like a very gray area and we were not clear about uh, about the permissible work which is being planned on the map and all, but still there was kind of ambiguity based GP plan. So, in order to
నా
make this particular part of
ఏపీడి గారు
selecting permissible work, which is being
ఈ
taken up
ఏపీడి
in the GIS based plan, we also integrated our six filters that we have recently introduced after the rationalization of permissible works. That has been implemented, I think, from the 1st of April of this current financial year. So all of you are very much familiar with the six filters based on the category ABCD, and then there are 39 types of schedule, 24 types of schedule category, and then there are 39 types of work type. Then there is a ownership level of categorization as well, like whether it is a community work or individual work. Then also there is one more categorization of whether it is a construction or a renovation or a repair maintenance type of work. So what we have done is we have also integrated this particular six filter system in the Yuktadara. So now whenever you're planning a work, the provision will be there in order to identify the work
చెప్తారా
in coordination with the permissible
మూడు
works
జిల్లాలని
from
ఒక
Narega
దగ్గర మీట్
also.
అయ్యి
So that will
తెలవాలి
make the process overall easier. That whenever you take the plan, it has already back-end
ఇది యూనిఫామ్
mapping of all these six filters and the permissible work and the characteristics of it. So it will not be kind of a confusing, or maybe it might not. It will minimalize
వినే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నాను నేను
the scope of human error while creating the work in Narega.
చాలా సార్ ప్యాన్
So this is one more functionality. Also, during the course of our training, now we will be using two new words. Basically, it's a one new word which is called GAW. So GAW stands for geospatially analyzed work. So we used to call it NRM works before, but now that you all are aware that we have segregated NRM, agri-allied, and rural infrastructure by eliminating the overlap between NRM and agri-allied. So it becomes essential because now there are some agri-allied work as well, which requires scientific planning, correct? But if we call it NRM planning, then it might create a confusion. So we have created two categories: works which needs to be scientifically planned, which requires a scientific analysis on the basis of remote sensing data and geospatial data. We have created a category called GAW, that is geospatially analyzed work. And the works which are not needed to be analyzed through geospatial data, it will fall into the non-GAW category. So now these two words you have to make yourself familiar with, and because that will be the first ever selection bifurcation while while selecting the work in Yuktadara. So these are the basic functionalities that we have introduced in this improved version of Yuktadara, and process is very simple. So next.
పెట్టు పెట్టు
So as you can see, we have already talked about the salient feature, the categorization and the annual action plan linkages and the Narega soft and all. Sir, next. So this is the workflow that you have to keep in mind. Okay, if you'll go through the portal, don't get scared, and it is not at all complicated. Okay, it is not at all complicated. It is very simple. The first step is land familiarization. Okay, when you start the planning, the landscape familiarization is basically the part where you understand what types of work has already been taken up using the GeoManrega data and other schemes data like IWMP and all. So also, like what is the land use, land cover, all these essential part will be here. It is just to familiarize yourself with the area that you are being you are planning to take up and plan the work. So that's it. After that, the second step is basically creating the activity. So here you will only select the activity which will be geospatially analyzed. So you have to select the activity. Obviously, normally what happens is you already prioritize at gram sabha gram panchayat level that what types of works you will be taking up. So just select the activity here, and then there is a provision in Yuktadhara which will give you uh, a probable location for that particular activity, that what is the most suitable location for that particular type of activity that you can plan your work to be taken up over there. So you what you need to do is you just need to take that probable location suggested by the Yuktadhara portal. So we have already embedded the rule sets for the scientific analysis of the location according to the need of the particular activity, say it land use, land cover, or hydrogeology map, etc., etc. So just take those maps, go for the discussion in the Gram Sabha, get the approval of Gram Sabha. According to the Gram Sabha approval, you have finalized your activation plan. So there will be some work which are like not works which are GAW. So that will be non-GAW work. So what you need to do is you have to record the let long of non-GAW, create Excel sheet or CSV sheet. I would request, please mute your mic, please. I'd request everyone to please switch off their mics. Thank you. So then it's a basic information entering like priority number and etc. And then you just need to forward for the approval. So it's very simple in a way if you'll understand this flow, and you just need to keep this flow in your head while creating the map. So I think that's all from my end. I would request Avnendra sir to take this forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Hansan. And for any query question, as we discussed earlier, just write it down, and we'll discuss all your query or question in the end of the meeting. So now I request Bhuvan team, Mr. Venkatesh, to please take over and just give the brief about the Yuktara and show how the book Yuktara is working. Thank you very much.
Uh, Good afternoon, all. Is my voice audible to you, sir?
Yes, yes,
Okay, sir. So, right now, I'm going to demonstrate the new updates which are taken up in the Yuktara portal, and this is the URL for the Yuktara portal. So, I'll just take it.
ఫోన్ తెచ్చినాడు మనకి
So here the enhancements changed like this in the starting home page, and we can directly log in.
Abhinanji, we cannot see the screen. Please share us the screen again.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. I'm going to share the screen right now.
the Bhuvan team will share the screen. They are sharing. Please wait.
Okay, sir.
So
ఫోన్ ఆన్ చేయడం అన్న స్క్రీన్
Yes, sir. Now it is visible, sir.
yes. So this is the URL currently working on.
only audio ಬಂದಿಟ್ಟನೆ
A small enhancements changed in the home page. So we can go with the login page, so that currently I am taking the Telangana state for Rangareddy district and Faruknagar block and Annaram Panchayat details for the login page for the login. Here you can see the state, district, block, and panchayat. So here I have logged in as a GP planner or MSc person login credentials. So here I can go to the click here to start planning, and you are aware that these are the details like we know already. So once we go to the click here to start planning, we can see that the first step is the landscape familiarization, and here you can see the boundaries, infrastructure, thematic data sets,
ఈసీ
other
గారు
layers, geotag
రమేష్ నాయుడు గారు
assets,
ఒకసారి రండి సార్
time
ఇలాగ
series, list of activities. So up to boundaries,
కలిసానండి
starting from boundaries to list of activities is already available in the live version. But now we have added this upload CSV files and upload
చెప్పండి సార్
in the landscape
కుదిరితే
familiarization.
అన్నారు
So you can
తెలంగాణ
see.
మరొక నగర్ రంగారెడ్డి
కూర్చో
So based on this, we can know that
మనం ఇది వరకు చేసిన
works
వర్క్
అవును
వెళ్ళగొచ్చేస్తున్నాం
అలాగే
already
వస్తాయి
completed and successfully completed in
అయిపోయింది
this particular panchayat.
ఉపాధి
We
పథకాలకి
can know that.
లిమిట్
And
ఎక్కువ
if we have any
ఎక్కువ
other
మళ్ళీ ఎక్కువ
details regarding to the IWMP, PDMC,
సరే చూడండి
RTO,
కాదు కాదు నువ్వు కొంచెం ఫాలో ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ
the
విశాఖపట్నం నువ్వే
plans
చెప్పాలా
are created based on the
ఇదేనా సినిమా
we can
అనుకున్నా
also go
ఫాలో
to the
అవడం
data assets. And also we can check the thematic data sets, what are the details available, erosion type, and
మరి బావా
landscape land
నాయుడు
cover.
గారు
So like this we can verify
సార్
the details and
సార్
we can go
ఏం
with the
తెప్పిస్తారా
plannings.
ఫోన్
So
మాట్లాడుతున్నాడా
here we need to upload the CSV files for a non-GAW works. That comes once the GAW part is over. This upload GP resolution. This is a ground truth resolution PDF which needs to be
లాగిన్లు వస్తే ఒక్కడు
uploaded
కనిపెట్టిన సినిమా
పుస్తకం ఒకటే కదా
ఒకటే
for
ఇంతే కదా దిగేది మేము
for
ఇంత దిగే
submit of the plans. So once
చేస్తారు
you go, you
మొత్తం
so if you are familiarized with the landscape familiarization, I will go with the next stage. So here,
Well, 3 years back,
here we have come to the identify activity. So in this
3 years
identify
back
activity, we
వచ్చేసుకోవచ్చు
have classified the features into two categories. One is GAW, that is geospatially analyzable works, and another is a non-GAW, which are not having the probable locations. So if we want to create the non-GAW works, we need to upload the CSV file. Then only we will be able to draw the non-GAW works. So I'm starting with plan GAW works. We know we are familiar with the master work category
మారిపోయారుగా
and major
రాత్రి
schedule
మారారు
category and
వచ్చే
beneficial
లోపల
type,
పేరు చెప్పు
community, activity type. So this activity type is construction or plantation like this.
రారు
And the work type is land related works, because in this video
రాత్రి
there are
చెప్పు
so many land
చెప్పు
related works have happened. And here I'm taking the leveling or
మాకు వీడియో
shaping of
అదృష్టం ఉంది
wasteland for community.
ఓన్ ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాం
So
అన్నమాట
once the activities
ఓన్ ప్లేస్ పీడి
identified, once the permission is identified, you can see that in the downside. Also we can plan multiple
పన్నెండు
activities
దగ్గర
as
పీడి
well,
అయిపోయింది
so that
వీడి కూడా దానవరా బాబు
it will take less time for us. So I'll take like a rural infrastructure. In the
Would you
rural
like it, sir?
infrastructure, we will go to the disaster preparedness, and in that for the community and the construction and that
కానీ అక్కడ అతను రాలేదు కదా
drainage,
అతను వస్తే ఇది
of
అవ్వాల్సింది
community
అక్కడ కలెక్టర్ గారు
for
ఆపారు కదా
waterlogged land.
ఇపోతారు
So
అయితే
here we can add like multiple permissible works, and we can go to the next stage. Once we have identified the activity, and we will go to the next stage for creation of plans. So here we have come to the identify area plan. Here we can see that we are having the analyze part, and we are having that this leveling or shaping of wasteland for community, and the another work is like drainage of waterlogged land for community. So we have identified these two works, and we have come to create the plans. And before that we can see that
Good afternoon, sir. PPT is not visible.
DPT नहीं दिखा रहे हैं सर, नहीं दिखा दे रहे।
PPT sir.
విద్యాసాగర్
Ma'am, is my voice audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible.
Sir,
PPT
is my screen
నేను అడిగట్టు నైట్ కూర్చున్నాను
continuing with the presentation.
అది చెప్పుకున్నాం ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ అక్కడ మనం
Yes, sir.
అరగంట రాడు మనడు ఆ సేమ్ స్పీచ్ మనకి మా పేరు కూడా అందిస్తుంటారు
Okay, so
జిరాక్స్
can I?
The clip. हेलो ये लैपटॉप में व्यू नहीं हो रहा है
नहीं सर, कुछ भी नहीं हो रही है।
अच्छा मैडम एक बार फिर से आप कनेक्ट करें फिर से कनेक्ट कर लें और नहीं तो हम आपके साथ एक
నార్త్ సౌత్ మొత్తం
తమిళ ఉన్నారు, గోవా వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు.
ऑडियो में है आप
అందుకే నార్త్ సౌత్ సరిపోయింది
అక్కడ విడగొట్టాడు అలాగా,
एक बार
అలా విడగొట్టాడు అలాగా. ఫోటో పెడుతున్నారు అందరూ.
सर स्क्रीन आ रहा है सर, थोड़ा डिले करके आ रहा है।
तो इंटरनेट का है वो इंटरनेट का इशू है प्लीज कैरी ऑन
Sure, sir. So here we can analyze the buffer area for the GeoManrega works, so that we can plan for the which place we can go and we can create a plans according to we can create the GeoManrega plans. Here we can see this area is available to is available for GeoManrega works which need to be created. If we want to create
ఈ లెక్కన చూద్దాం మనం అయిపోయిన ప్లేస్ మొక్కలు చేయలేం అయితే.
we can select the analyze treatment. We can go with the nearby roads also as well. So like this we can analyze the part and we can plan to create works. Here we know that these works are GAW works, that which means it is having the probable locations. So these probable locations we can see them. So this leveling or shaping of wasteland type of work, this work is available to create in the particular locations. So we can download this probable location sprint, so that we will go to the Gram Sabha and we can see we can finalize that where we are going to plan. And in this PDF we have given the details like what is the plan we are going to create and what are the places available in this particular panchayat.
నఫీసీ బేగం పీకే అంట. పీకే అంటే
పాకిస్తాన్
పాకిస్తాన్ లేదు, ఉత్తరాల పక్కనే ఉంది.
We can download and go with the Gram Sabha and we can discuss. And once we discuss and once we confirm and we can go with the start plan of the we can draw the plans. We can also check that what are the previous geotag details available for this particular so right now there are no previous works available for this type of work. So this is showing no works available. So I'm just going to create, and this draw option is having only polygon. Earlier it was having the point line polygon, but now we have given according to the activity name we are providing the polygon like this feature like for drawing purpose. So draw this on like I want to
ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్, గోవా, గుజరాత్, జమ్మూ కాశ్మీర్, కర్ణాటక, కేరళ, లదాఖ్, లక్షద్వీప్, ఒరిస్సా, పాండిచేరి, తమిళనాడు, తెలంగాణ.
my like in any language we can give.
ఇదంతా చేసే బదులు ఇంకో మాట చెప్పాను కదా నేను. ఇది కూడా
we have successfully saved the plan, successfully and saved the plan. And also if you want to create another some more plans, so
బొమ్మలు బాగానే చెప్తున్నాడు ఊళ్ళో.
అలాగే చెప్తారు మనకి.
like this we can create a plan based on this one. We can go with the multiple plans as well. So I am going to the next one. We have taken the 2 plans. So based on this log for community, so I am just checking the probable locations. Right now it is having no probable location, so we'll go with the some other types like agriculture plantation, like barren rocky. So we will check like if any plants, if any probable locations are available. So here we have identified this type of for this one. We have identified that this probable location is available. So we'll just we can able to download the file as well, and we can discuss with the in the Gram Sabha, and we can confirm, or like we can go with any other place to work on this. And here this work is having so based on the feature type, we will be able to draw particular feature type.
వాటర్ షర్ట్ అది చూడమా
Requesting is please mute your mic. Mute your mic.
தமிழ்நாடு யாரும் பேசிட்டு இருக்கீங்க, தயவு செய்து மியூட் பண்ணுங்க அல்லது நீங்க டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க.
Once we have selected and we have drawn the works, then we can go to the next stage. That the next stage, once we have completed, we can ask for that identify area treatment locations. We can go to the fourth step, that is called map composition. In this map composition, what are the plans we have created? So we can go to this plans. And we can
పేమెంట్ చేసిందా? పేమెంట్ ఏజెన్సీ అయితే ఉంది. మూడు మండలాలు ఉన్నాయి. మూడు మండలాలు పాతి ఉన్నాయి, కొత్తది ఇంకొక కుంబడి వేయలేదు. తెలుసు. కుకుంబడి ఒకటి వేసాడు.
like this we can download the plan. We can check this plan is able to create in this particular location. So like this we can proceed to the next stage.
కొన్ని లేపేసి చేశాడు.
Once we have created the plans,
కొన్ని టాస్క్ లేపేసాడు అన్నాడు.
activity, so that we will be able to send the plans to the block level. So here we say please upload here in the conversation only. We already know that save activity is there. Once we have created the plans, then the plans will be automatically saved and they will be visible in this place. And we can change what are the places that these plans have created.
రెండు మొక్కలు చేసుకోవడం.
పద్మనాభం పద్మనాభం
like, and you are able to know that. So
అందుకే ఆ పద్మనాభం అని
these
అడిగాను,
are
రాలేదు
the list of columns we have provided in this duplicate number, time it is
అరే
created,
పాతదే
and
దుంటదిరా,
the name of the
కొత్తదైతే
supply,
వైద్య స్లోప్
and
అంటే
this is the
కుంభడం ఒకటి
longitude
వేసాడు.
and latitude. So some details we have provided with this, and also we are providing the delete option. If we wanted to delete any plan which is not not going to sell for the future for the block level, so we can directly delete this plan, so that we can able to sell whatever the required plans. So here we need to please upload any resolution before submitting plans. So in order to upload the submitted plans, we need to upload the GP resolution plan. Then only
వెంకటరమణ కాదు, వెంకటరమణ కాదు.
so
పేరేంటి?
here it is the upload GP
ఇన్ఛార్జ్
resolution. Already I have
చెప్తున్నాడు.
told you. And here we need to upload GP resolution
శంకరా.
PDF, which I will show you.
కాదు కాదు మెసేజ్ చెప్తున్నా.
So this PDF is
Consumer
having
నుంచి
the list of works. List of works which are, what are the works which are accepted by Gram Sabha and which are taken up into action. So this Gram Sabha resolution PDF need to be uploaded. So once it is
Right.
uploaded,
సిగ్నేచర్ బదులు
it will show that PDF is uploaded successfully, and then it will say that it will give the priority. So assign priority button. In this assign priority button, we will be able to
కమిషన్ ఉంది
go
కానీ
to the,
నాకు కమిషనర్ పోస్ట్ ఇచ్చారు.
give the plans to the block person.
శంకర్ ఉన్నాడు కదా, శంకర్ రావుకి ఇచ్చారు. శంకర్ రావు
We have given this activity name, duplicate flag, PW. This
లేదు
duplicate
చెయ్యాలి.
flag, I can tell you that whatever the work
ఇప్పుడు
which
అవుతుంది
is
తెలిసి
already
ముంచిపూడి
created
వేస్తారు.
earlier, but the new work is not going to create the beside of this work. If we
మన
create
కళ్ళలో
the
ముంచిపూడి
work
వేస్తారు.
beside,
మాట్లాడు చేస్తున్నాడు కూడా.
sir, is my voice audible?
ఇప్పుడు అప్పుడు అవ్వదు నాకు తెలిసి.
Yes, sir.
ట్రై చేయండి.
Yes, sir. I'm able to.
Yes, please go ahead.
అక్కడ అయిపోయిన పీడిఎఫ్
చేస్తున్నారు మరి పక్కన మీరు ఇది
డౌన్లోడ్
ఫస్ట్ మనం
డౌన్లోడ్
We need to give the plan.
వాళ్ళ మామూలు మన
Once we give the priority numbers, we can submit the plans. Here we will get the problem that we have successfully submitted plans with block approval. So like this, we have created
Login తెలియాలి కదా.
especially unusable works, and we have sent the plans to the block person.
అలా ఫోటో తీసాను సార్.
If we want to create,
కాఫీ
we
కప్పులు
will go to the non-GAW works.
పర్లేదండి.
As you have told you already, that please upload
Other can
CSV
no,
file
sir.
for non-GAW works. So we
పర్లేదు ఎవరు
will
కనిపించినా
upload
పర్లేదు సార్.
the CSV file right now, so that here once we go to the upload CSV file, we will get the pop-up like CSV upload, and here we will add a CSV file to it.
డైరెక్ట్ గా అంటే
So once we add the CSV file, we will need to restart the page to click on the map.
సార్ ఇక్కడ ఆ ఫైల్స్ ఉంటే నేనే రాసుకుంటాను ఏది నీట్గా ఇక్కడ అర్థమైన బోత్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫైల్స్ లో ఉంటాయి కదా డేటా మొత్తం కాస్ట్ ఎస్టిమేషన్ ఇవన్నీ అది బెస్ట్ కదా.
Here I will tell you
అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటివ్ టైమ్స్ ఏమి ఉండవు కదా, డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని ఇందులోనే ఉంటాయి కదా. వైట్ పేపర్ లో రాసుకుంటారు ఒక ఫైల్
CSV files to one
మీరు నేమ్
only,
బోర్డు ఇదేం
so that whenever you are required to upload one more CSV file, and you will need to you will be asked that file already exists, or if you want to delete the old file, then you will be able to upload the new file,
శనివారం
so that only single file will be visible and will be uploaded into the panchayat. And here I have provided to you that this CSV file. I also provided you the sample file in the while uploading the CSV file. Here I am providing the name of the name and the longitude, latitude, and the location of the location details in the CSV file. So those details are visible in the in when I click on the map with the latitude longitude as displayed. So like this. So once I have given the CSV file, once I have uploaded the CSV file, now I will be able to go to the non-GAW works. So in this non-GAW works, I will go to the like public works, individual, in common infrastructure, rural development. So I can go to the work which I want to uh, create. So here I am going with the promotion of livestock. So here I'm constructing it, and here I'm constructing livestock shelter. So here is a common cattle shelter, construction of cattle shelter for community. So here I can add vertical, and then I can go with the single line also as per the requirement. So here at least upload we need to have activity to go to the third step, that is identified area treatment. In this identified area treatment, we can do the analyze part, and we can start the planning. And here in this as this is a non-GAW works, which do not have the probable locations, so we can directly plan. So this work, this cattle shelter work is having the location feature type. So we will be able to draw based on the CSV file we have provided, so that so that it will be like easy for us. This CSV file is a reference for us. So we will go like we can give any name in any language name we want, so that we can identify the work. And this is the cattle shelter. So I'm just giving the
డేటా తీసుకుంటే దీన్ని దాన్ని కట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా.
అలాగే గోల్ షెడ్ సీసీ రోడ్ కూడా వాళ్ళిద్దరు ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకున్నారు. జనాలు లేకుండా ఇప్పుడు ప్రెజెంట్ పార్ట్ ఉన్నా పర్లేదు, ఆర్టికల్స్ మనం వెళ్ళామా దానికి పార్ట్ ఫోటోలు ఉన్నా పర్లేదు, ఎవరు లేకుండా యాంగిల్
check that if any is available, and that will be displayed on the map as well. So now for this work there is no previous showing any data. So once works draw is finished, so I can go to the fourth step, and here I can able to download that which works I have created earlier, so that for my reference.
అప్పుడు పాత తీసాం
మామిడి కుమార్ తీసావు కదా,
తీసానండి.
అది పంపించే
జనాలు ఎవరు ఉండరు,
ఎవరు లేకుండా ఉన్నదే పంపించమని చెప్పారు కదా.
అలాగే తీయించారు కదా 900.
Zoom in and zoom out the which we can see accurate place. Like this we can see what we created at particular place. So once I have created, I can go to the saved activity, and I can send in the details. So I can see the what are the details I have sent, and I can give the assign priority. And once assigned priority is given, I can directly submit to the block. So once it is submitted, we know that these plans have submitted successfully. Then the block person will see that what are the details, what are the plans which are sent by the particular panchayat. So I will just log in with the login as a block person.
నేను చెప్తున్నా అలాగే కాదు, ఎవరికి అర్థం అనిపించట్లేదు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మైకులు పెట్టుకుంటే సరిపోద్ది, సిస్టమ్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ మైక్ పెట్టుకుంటే
Here we have modified the UI page, and you know that this state district block is same, but here in the panchayat name, yet to moderate and plans, these three fields are available in this page. And here in this particular block there are multiple panchayats, and it will be updated in the future once the panchayat details are available. So here I have this panchayat person is send the details to the block level, so it will show that yes, it is still yet to moderate. So once we click on the click here to approve, so that block person will directly go to the this particular panchayat, and he will check, and he's already having the details of all the details required, the recent construction, thematic. So all the details he will be able to identify. And here also the panchayat and block person can see the latest PWL, the latest PDF of works. Latest PDF of the identifying works, which are having total 265, and they are those works having master category, and next and like 6 filters are available with their whether it is a GT or non-GT type, and it is having the subcategory also. And also it is having the icon for this particular icon. Like this, panchayat and the block level persons can see what type of selections will be required in the identify activity. So like that, and also this panchayat, this block person will be able to see the CSV file which is uploaded in the Viptara panchayat level. So like that, he will analyze the details, and he can see which works he is going to participate in, and also he is able to download he can see what are the plans approved by the Gram Sabha, and so that for his understanding he will go and do with the and approve the plans. So once the moderate activity, once he click, he will see that unverified, verified, rejected, approved from Narega. These 4 buttons are available for this block user. And here, what are the plans are yet to be verified, so they will be displayed on this page, and the details will be like he need to approve or reject. So based on his confirmation, and he can check what are the plans available on the map, so that he can see the details of the plans as well. He can go and he can check that, okay, this plan is working, this plan is as per the so he can directly first he will save all the plans, and then so like this he will approve. So once he is approved all the plans, he will give that the accept stage. So once you click on the accept, this is the verification that he is verified the data success. So once he is verified successfully, he will be able to see the details. He will be able to see the details in the verified section. So right now these details are in the verified section. We already know that. Directly he can send the plans to Narega Soft from here. So like this. Okay, so he can directly send the plans to Narega to once he click
అర్జెంటుగా
on the
పంపించాలని
HTML
ప్లాన్లో
file, he
అడిగాడు.
will see that set the
అర్జెంటుగా
Narega
పంపించాలని
sources,
అడిగాడు ఎవడ అక్కడ మెసేజ్
which
వచ్చింది.
means he the block approver he's successfully send the GP level plans to the Narega soft, so that once that Narega soft is updated, and it will provide
required for completion.
సేమ్ ఇలా దింపేసి రాయించి గ్యాప్ లేకుండా
the work code.
జింప్రా అంటే
జింప్రా
చెప్పండి.
మేలు అంతా అలాంటి వాడతారు, దరిద్రాలు వాడతారు. జీమెయిల్ యామర్ గా జింప్రా
Show
మేలు.
you the water, like we have already have the details of like what are the
ఎందుకంటే మళ్ళీ అందరూ లాగిన్ క్రియేట్
the
చేసుకుంటాం.
details to the Narega soft, so
దాని మీద బెనిఫిట్
we
ఉందా?
can check.
టైం ఒక్కలేదు.
అరే ఇది ఫోనే, ఆండ్రాయిడ్ కూడా ఐఫోనే. సరే ఆండ్రాయిడ్ ఉందా, ఐఫోన్ ఉందా? అనుకోవడం ఓకే మాట్లాడతాయి.
Just I'm logging in with the last level person. I'm just showing you a sample that once we have set the details to the Narega soft from verified section, once we go to the approved from Narega soft, so this tab is specifically designed for the details which are so one like this. So details we have shared to the Narega soft. We have got the work code from the Narega soft. Like this, we can get the work code, and once we have got the work code like this, so we will go with the plan with the before and after, before, during, after planning stage. So here, what are the plans we are yet to here what are the plans we have got the work code, and here what are the plans we still is yet to get the work code. Like this, we can check here in the approved from Narega soft section. So like this, we can plan, and we can check the work code as well. Once we got the work code, we will go to the mobile, and we will check that this work is already available, so we can go to the before stage. In the starting, so from the panchayat level, user can start the plan, and he can send the plans to the block approver, and the block approver verify the plans using the verified. Once he is approved, and he will send the details to the Narega soft. Once the Narega soft is approved the plans and budget and all, once they are finalized, they will send the work code to the Yuktadhara portal. He can directly log into this particular portal, and he can check that what is the status of the work sent. So that
అంచనా విలువ అంటే మరి తప్పు రాశాడు.
what are the
టోటల్ కాస్ట్ కదా అంచనా విలువ అంటే
approved was
23,332 ఉంది.
once the work code is generated, so from mobile
ఇది ఫండ్ టోటల్ చూడండి
like start a plan from the before stage. So like this, the flow will be continued for the whole for this individual activity. So that's it from my end. If you have any queries or like any
బిల్లియన్స్ ఉంటే వర్క్ మారిపోద్ది, అమౌంట్ మారిపోద్ది.
try to
బిల్లియన్స్
understand and explain to you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Venkatesh ji. And
And
now I request State, if you have any question or any query, please ask. So I request from Goa. Venkatesh ji, can you
గోవాకి వెళ్ళాడు రా
Yes, sir.
గోవాలో అడుగుతుంటా
Your screen is
అదే
still visible.
గోవాకి
Yes, I will just stop my screen.
వాళ్ళు ఏమి వస్తా పని
Okay.
So now I
ఏపీకి రాడేమో
request
ఏపీ
Goa.
వచ్చాడు
Do
అదే
you have
ఇందాక
any question or
ఏపీ అడిగితే సోపర్సన్ సస్పెండ్
we'll do
అయ్యాడు
this type of training, physical training later on also.
కంపౌండ్
If you
ఫిజికల్
have
ట్రైనింగ్
any
ఇస్తున్నాడా
doubt,
ఫిజికల్ ట్రైనింగ్
అది గోవాలో పెట్టుకుంటాడు ఏపీకి వెళ్ళొచ్చింది
మనం పంపించాలి
kindly share. Which है कुछ भी यदि
స్విమ్మింగ్
आपको
పోతుంటాడు
Goa.
గోవాలో
పెట్టమని హైల్లో హ్యాపీగా
गुजरात से
డోంట్ వరీ వి విల్ అరేంజ్ సెషన్ ఇన్ జమ్మూ అండ్ కాశ్మీర్ పాండిచేరి అంట
జమ్మూ కాశ్మీర్ పోయి
చూద్దు అక్కడ వద్దు సమస్య లేదు
గోవా ట్రైనింగ్ గోవా సేపు
in that can we visual the tours as previously it was there. So is there still option or not?
Second, sir.
Sir, can we upload the shift file or KML file in that? And
Yes, sir.
there is a option. There is a option to upload the KML file or you upload the same file. You have to zip it and then upload. Otherwise, you can upload the KML file. There is a option is there.
Okay, sir. And sir, previously I have also that in CSV file certain format is not working while uploading in the maps. So any particular format is from various softwares we are uploading the CSV files. So do we need to modify it? Technically we can.
There is a option. There is a template of CSV file in the Yugdhara portal. You may download it and do it. We are working. NRC is working on it. It may be you get a file app so that you can capture the lat long and fill the data and directly convert it into CSV.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So, any question? So, Jammu and Kashmir, do you have any? आपको लग रहा है पूछना है?
सर कपल ऑफ क्वेरीज आर देयर सर।
सर बताइए।
सर पहला तो ये है सर ये हमें यूजर के लिए हमने बताया वी हैव शेयर्ड दिस सर So we need one demo login for super district sir. ये हमारी मिशन है सर so that we can इसके बारे में जो क्योंकि अभी तक तो उन्होंने बताया कि हमारा जो युक्तधारा प्लान से जो हमारा ब्लॉक लेवल से नेक्स्ट स्टेज पे जो अभी तक मॉड्यूल चला रहे थे तो दैट मीन्स दैट विल बी for this particular GPU. So we cannot create a mixed mode like जैसे हम पहले भी कर रहे थे वर्क कोड जनरेट कर रहे थे डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम नरेगा सॉफ्ट. So it means for those GPUs हमें यहाँ से ही वर्क कोड जनरेट होगा फ्रॉम युक्तधारा. ये क्या हमें यहाँ से अलग से वर्क कोड जनरेट करना पड़ेगा कि यही वहाँ पे ट्रैवल होगा?
यही ट्रैवल हो जाएगा
होगा वो वहाँ पे वो कब सिक्योर को शेयर हो जाएगा कि जैसे कि मतलब ये क्या नरेगा सॉफ्ट को ट्रीट करेगा कि हाँ जनरेटेड शेयर टू द सिक्योर.
सर ऑडिबल?
यस सर यस सर
जी सर ये वर्क कोड जो आप जीपी यहाँ पे जो आपका युक्तधारा में वर्क्स का लिस्ट आप अप्रूव कर रहे हैं वो ही आपको नरेगा सॉफ्ट में प्री पॉपुलेट हो जाएगा लिस्ट. तो उसके अगेंस्ट में ही आपको वर्क कोड वहाँ पे क्रिएट करना है और सेम प्रोसीजर है जैसे आप सिक्योर के लिए वर्क कोड क्रिएट करते हैं उसके बाद जब वर्क कोड बन जाता है तो वो अपने आप सिक्योर को शेयर हो जाता है रिलेवेंट वर्क. उसी तरह से ये सेम प्रोसीजर होगा. मतलब यहाँ से युक्तधारा में जो आपने समझिए कि आपने 10 वर्क्स आपने आइडेंटिफाई करके अप्रूव किया ये जीपी प्लान तो वो 10 वर्क का लिस्ट आपको वर्क क्रिएशन के लिए वहाँ पे एक अलग प्रोविजन बन जाएगा. जिसमें पहला स्टेप होगा आपको युक्तधारा का कौन सा काम का आप वर्क कोड बना रहे हो वो आपको पहला सवाल पूछा जाएगा. नहीं, जो टाइप तो नहीं, युक्त धारा ही चलेगा। हो सकता है कि अभी जैसे हमें प्रीवियस कि कुछ काम ऐसे हैं जो आपके जीपी लेवल के इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के नहीं है, प्लान नहीं होते हैं, तो शायद ऊपर की इंटरमीडिएट पंचायत से होते हैं, तो हो सकता है कि सिर्फ उसके लिए नरेगा सॉफ्ट डायरेक्ट वर्क क्रिएट करने का प्रोविजन हम लोग इनेबल रखें व्हाइल इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द लाइव। हो सकता है तब तक हमारा प्रोविजन युक्त धारा में भी हम लोग इनेबल कर ले, पर एज ऑफ नाउ जो भी जीपी लेवल के वर्क्स होंगे, जो ग्राम सभा से अप्रूव्ड वर्क है, वो तो आपका युक्त धारा के थ्रू ही बनेगा।
जीआईएस प्लानिंग के बारे में जो हमने अभी तक हम वी आर पोर्टल के हिसाब से तो 98% वी आर ऑन द जीआईएस प्लेटफॉर्म, बट एक्चुअल में क्या हो रहा है कि नॉन जीआईएस वर्क्स भी मतलब जनरेट हो रहे हैं, नॉन जीआईएस से भी।
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, उसी चीज को अवॉइड करने के लिए एक्चुअली आई थिंक आप अब जैसे आपने टेक्स्ट मैसेज में भी आपके वहाँ से आया कि आपने थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन किया, तो आपने इनिशियली जो ओरिएंटेशन वो था सेशन वो मिस कर दिया, उसमें हमने यही
हमने एक लोकेशन को आइडेंटिफाई किया था so that they will join from one location from each district. So we have 20 location 20 districts इस वक्त इस सेशन के जरिए हैंड ओवर हो रहे हैं। इसके बाद में कुछ और भी सेशंस करेंगे, बट दिस इज बेनिफिशियल फॉर दीस डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स, वो अभी सारे ट्रेन हो रहे हैं।
जी, तो यही प्लान है कि जो आपका ग्राम सभा के अंदर जो आपका अप्रूवल बनता है एनुअल इलेक्शन प्लान, उसमें से ही आपको युक्त धारा में ड्रॉ करना है, और वही आपका नरेगा सॉफ्ट में क्रिएट होगा। अदरवाइज नरेगा सॉफ्ट में क्रिएट नहीं हो सकता। देयर विल बी डायरेक्ट लिंकेज बिटवीन एनुअल इलेक्शन प्लान युक्त धारा जीआईएस बेस्ड प्लान, एंड इट विल बी लिंक्ड विद द नरेगा सॉफ्ट वर्कफोर्स। सो आपका डायरेक्ट नहीं हो पाएगा।
इसी के रिलेटेड एक और क्वेरी है सर, अगर हमारे पास हमने ऑलरेडी कोई जीपी का एक फुल फ्लेजेड जीआईएस प्लान बनाया था, क्या वो होगा यहाँ पे?
अभी तो इंटीग्रेट करने का मतलब यहाँ पे तो
नहीं। ఇక్కడ అంచనా విలువలో పాత రేట్ వేయొచ్చా కొత్తగా
వేసుకోవాలి? ఫిజికల్ ట్రైనింగ్
అంచనా విలువ అప్పుడు ఇచ్చింది ఎస్టిమేషన్ 73 అది వేసుకుని ఇప్పుడు కొత్తది ఈ రేట్ వేసుకుంటే
वो आपको इंटीमेट किया जाएगा, आपको वेरी सून आप लोगों को मंत्रालय से आपको इंफॉर्मेशन आ जाएगा।
అంచనా విలువ వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చింది కదా, అంచనా విలువ 73,330।
कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि सारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट को तो टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं दे पाएंगे, लेकिन हम आपको स्टेट लेवल पे एक डेमो लॉगिन तो जल्दी प्रोवाइड करेंगे, और हम लोग आपकी बात को ना एनआरसी के सामने रखेंगे, देखते हैं कि हम लोग कितना जल्दी आपको डेमो लॉगिन मिलता है।
थैंक यू।
एंड कर्नाटका, एनी क्वेरी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम कर्नाटका?
Yes sir, we have a couple of questions sir. From block level, is it like it seems to be output or line sir, or will it come from DPC level sir?
No, block level.
In last meetings we have suggested for approval should be given.
At DPC level you can view the details. It is at block level.
బెనిఫిషరీ పేరు రాయించుకుంటే బెస్ట్ కదా.
Just a minute. You can plan it at the GP level and approve at the block level. So MLC take the physical approval from the state or district and available. Currently, and you can we'll discuss with the works team and senior officials. Yes.
Yes sir. Yeah sir. For our line implementing department sir, is it like plan should be done through Yuktadhara, then upload resolution? Is it the same process?
Same process, same process.
AMC line departments, the work ground solution, they are directly.
So once currently there is no provision in the Yuktadhara, but later we will discuss.
So one more option. See, currently the GP level plans are being created through the Yuktadhara as per the provision. But one more option is if you have a formal approval, you can include the work in CSV and plan it in the Yuktadhara and then connect it to the Narega sort while from going through Yuktadhara. Or otherwise, you can like we are just discussing the same provision whether we should exempt and give separate provision for immediate work creation or not in Narega sort. So that will be decided very soon.
So thank you. So now Kerala. Any okay. Ladakh.
Hello.
Anybody from Lakshadweep? Lakshadweep से Salim sir.
Team 23.
Actually, we are missing a lot of section, video section.
हम लोग आपके साथ एक अलग से सेपरेट मीटिंग प्लान कर लेंगे। आपसे हम डेट लेके फिर जल्दी ही 1 या 2 दिन में हम लोग एक मीटिंग कर लेंगे और फिर फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग में तो हम आपको बुला ही रहे हैं। उसमें अपने ज़्यादा डिटेल्स ऑफिसर्स फ्रॉम उड़ीसा से कोई है?
Yes, sir.
आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं हो रही है। एक बार आप थोड़ा सा माइक के पास आके बोलेंगे। आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
सर सुनाई दे रहा सर?
हाँ ठीक है।
सर हमारा वेस्टर्न उड़ीसा माइग्रेशन प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है, फैसिलिटेशन जो प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है उसमें सर हमारा 47 अराउंड 1000 के जीपी में ऑलरेडी हमारा जो लैंड डिमार्केशन हो गया है, लैंड पैटर्न के हिसाब से जो अपलैंड, मीडियम लैंड, लो लैंड के हिसाब से वो ऑलरेडी हमने कर चुके हैं। तो सर अगर एग्जिस्टिंग उसमें उसको करेगा या फिर उसको उसके ऊपर ओवरराइड हो जाएगा?
ना प्लान बनेगा वो दोनों मिक्स होकर बनेगा। यदि आपने पहले से बना रखा है तो उसको ले लेंगे, उसको उस पॉइंट को लोकेट कर देगा। ये बता सकता है कि सही है या उसमें कुछ चेंज करने की जरूरत है। ये तो पंचायत बताएगी, बताएंगे, लेकिन वो उसको कम्प्लीमेंट करेगा तो अलग से चेंज नहीं करेगा।
अच्छा सर, और एक चीज़ है, जैसे हमने सर वो जैसे ट्रेनिंग में अभी पता है कि 10 प्लान हमने ले लिए हैं, तो बाद में हम उसको रिवाइज कर सकते हैं और री अपलोड कर सकते हैं।
एकदम
ओके सर।
Physical training हम लोग कर ही रहे हैं, उसमें भी और डिस्कशन होगा। So पुडुचेरी से anybody from पुडुचेरी? नागराज जी, are you there?
Puducherry, no service on as now. As usually the physical training is okay, means we will be better to move on.
ठीक है। तमिलनाडु detailed So now I'm coming to Telangana, where the pioneer state. So Telangana.
सर थोड़ा ट्रेनिंग कब से होगा वो
అన్ని రాసి లైన్ లో పెట్టాల్సిన
जस्ट जल्द ही आपको भेजेंगे। तेलंगाना में दिसंबर में है, दिसंबर में तेलंगाना का है। जयपुर में हो सकता है आपको बुलाए हैं ट्रेनिंग के लिए। सारे स्टेट्स का अलग अलग जगह 4 ट्रेनिंग है, सारे स्टेट्स को अलग अलग जगह तेलंगाना का जयपुर में 2 दिन का ट्रेनिंग होगा। जल्दी कॉल करेंगे
सर। आज नया न्यू थिंग ऐड किया डुप्लीकेट फ्लैग्स का। अभी वो बता रहे थे कि बफर एक क्रिएट होगा वर्क आईडी की जगह पे, जो ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड जीरो टैग एसिड है उसके आसपास में बफर रहेगा, और if we take any work within that area, then duplicate flag through show करेगा। क्योंकि सपोज लैंड लेबलिंग जैसे वर्क्स हुए, इस साल में लैंड लेबलिंग कर दिया और जियो टैग करके खत्म कर दिया, अगले साल हमको वहीं पे जाके कुछ और वर्क करना है, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ वर्क्स करना है। तो इन दैट केस डुप्लीकेट ट्रू रहेगा कि मतलब इसका कोई इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा कि नहीं पड़ेगा हमारे वर्क आईडी क्रिएशन में, क्योंकि दो टाइप ऑफ वर्क्स है, एक ही ग्राउंड पे है। हाँ सर, दूसरा क्वेश्चन है सर। हेलो, दूसरा क्वेश्चन है सर, जियो टैगिंग में जो एवेन्यू प्लांटेशन में जो रिसेंटली हमारी टीम विजिट की थी हमको NIRD से, उन्होंने ऑब्जर्व किया था कि हमारे जो ओल्ड जियो टैग एवेन्यू प्लांटेशन है, क्योंकि रोड वाइडनिंग के कारण वो मिडिल ऑफ द रोड आ गए, क्योंकि रोड के किनारे में एवेन्यू प्लांटेशन होता है, रोड का साइज बढ़ गया, तो वो जो जियो टैग एसिड है वो एकदम रोड के बीचों बीच आने लगे। ये सेम चीज जो ये मार्किंग के समय पे करेंगे, आज से 2-3 साल बाद में एसिड एकदम मतलब उनमें भी कुछ इशू रहेगा सर, इमेजिंग से रिलेटेड, उनको कैसे हम क्लियर करेंगे सर? ये 2 क्वेश्चन सर।
आपको बताएगा कि सेम टाइप ऑफ 2 डिफरेंट, यदि एक लैंड लेवल हो गया वहाँ पर फ्लैग नहीं करेगा, सेम टाइप ऑफ वर्क के लिए फ्लैग शो करेगा। यदि आपने एक कॉम्पाउंड बना लिया और फिर एक कम्युनिटी फॉर्म पॉइंट आपने बनाया और फिर आप दोबारा दूसरा कम्युनिटी फॉर्म पॉइंट आप 500 मीटर या 100 मीटर के बफर में बनाने के लिए तो फ्लैग करके आपको दिखाएगा कि यहाँ पे एक अवेलेबल है। अभी हमने उस पर अभी की तरफ से या कहीं से भी उस पर चेक नहीं लगा है कि आप हो सकता है कि लेटर टाइम में ये हो जाए, लेकिन फ्लैग करके आपको दिखाएगा कि यहाँ पर एक सेम टाइप ऑफ वर्क क्या है ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है, नथिंग एल्स। ये आपको हाईलाइट
ओके सर, लास्ट टाइम हाँ सर, लास्ट टाइम हमने 4 इशू रेज किए थे सर, फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड और उन सब से रिलेटेड।
यस सर सर। सर हमको डिस्ट्रिक्ट में मतलब हमारे पास जीपी लेवल पे सिस्टम का एबिलिटी नहीं है सर। ये क्योंकि ये प्लानिंग पूरा जीपी लेवल पे है, ब्लॉक लेवल पे बस अप्रूवल है। अब हमारे ब्लॉक में भी मंडल 2 ही कंप्यूटर है सर। वो
अभय जी, ये डिस्कशन बाद में, ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव हम लोग एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव डिस्कशन तो अभी कुछ नहीं है इस तरह, लेकिन इस पर हम लोग बाद में चर्चा करेंगे। यहाँ पर हम लोग युगधारा पोर्टल पर ही चर्चा करेंगे, ठीक है। और दूसरा आपने जियो के लिए बोला कि चेंज हो सकता है, चेंज तो नहीं होगा, जैसा है